Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and opening the reset area. First, save work and close apps that use the network. This prevents data loss. Next, open settings and navigate to network and internet on Windows or to general then reset on iOS. On Android, find system reset options. Make sure the device is plugged into power and that you have your Wi-Fi passwords noted. Once you're in the reset screen, review the options available so you know which settings will be removed and why. Now perform the reset itself. Select the explicit Reset Network Settings or Network Reset option. Read the confirmation text because it lists removed items like saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth pairings. Tap Confirm or Reset and allow the device to reboot. This can take a few minutes. Once the system restarts, reconnect to your Wi-Fi and reauthorize Bluetooth devices. If you relied on VPNs or static IPs, reconfigure them now. This ensures the network stack is rebuilt cleanly, and finish by verifying connectivity and applying one targeted fix if needed. After reconnecting, test web access and any local resources like printers. Make sure to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords and reconnect VPNs. If a device still fails to connect, update network drivers or firmware on the router and device, because outdated software often causes persistent issues. If that does not help, reboot the router and try an alternate DNS such as 1.1.1.1 or 8.8.8.8, and if necessary, contact your ISP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.